Welcome to my channel. Today I provide you award associated with different fields related video. Let's get started. First is Nobel Prize. The award is given on death anniversary of Alfred Bernard Nobel. Given in the following field: physics, chemistry, medicine, peace, literature, economics have been given since 1901. Next is Ramon Magsaysay Award, instituted in 1957 and named after Ramon Magsaysay, the former president of Philippines. Is given for outstanding contribution to public service, community leadership, journalism, literature, creative arts, and international understanding, and also called as the Nobel Prize of Asia. Next is Pulitzer Prize, instituted in 1917, given named after the US publisher Joseph, conferred annually in the USA for newspaper, journalism, literature, and music. Next is Man Booker Prize, highest literature award for novel written in English language and published in British, Irish, and Commonwealth countries. Established in 1969, renamed as Man Booker Prize as the sponsorship has been taken over by the Man Group, an international stockbroker. Next, Vyas Samman for literature, given by KK Birla Foundation for outstanding contribution to Hindi literature. Next, Murthy Devi Award for literature, given by Bharatiya Jananpith Organization. Oscar Award, instituted in 1929, given by the Academy of Motion Pictures in USA for films. The first Indian to get an Oscar, Bhanu Athaya, for the movie Gandhi. Satyajit Ray, the first Indian awarded Oscar for lifetime achievements in cinema in 1992. Next is Dadasaheb Phalke Award for cinema films. This is India's highest award in cinema. Next is BAFTA Award for TV, films, video games, animation. Next, Sangeet Natak Academy Award for music, dance, drama. Saraswati Samman for literature, instituted in 1991 by KK Birla. Next is Jananpath Award for literature, instituted in 1961. Bihari Puraskar for literature, given after famous Hindi poet Bihari. Next is Stirling Award for architecture, given by Royal Institute of British Architects. It's a British award. Aga Khan Award, Architecture Award, given by Aga Khan in 1977. Next is Pritzker Prize for Architecture, awarded to honor living architect. Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Prize for Science and Technology, given by CSIR. Next is Kalinga Prize for Science. Bharat Ratna, highest civilian award of India, presented by the Government of India, presented for exceptional public service and rarest achievement in the field of arts, Literature and Science, instituted in 1954. First recipient was C. Rajagopalachari. Next is Padma Vibhushan. Padma Vibhushan is the second highest civilian award. Arjuna Award, instituted in 1961, given by Sports Ministry, Government of India, given for the special achievements in different types of sports. Next is Dronacharya Award, instituted in 1985, given by Sports Ministry, Government of India, given to eminent sports coaches. Next, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award, instituted in 1992, presented for commendable display by the players. Next is Gallantry Award for Bravery. Paramveer Chakra. It is India's highest award for bravery. Mahavir Chakra. It is the second highest gallantry award. Veer Chakra. It is the third highest gallantry award. Ashok Chakra. It is the highest peacetime gallantry award. Next is Dhanvantri Award in Medical Science. G.D. Birla Award, scientific research undertaken by Indian scientists. Mahatma Gandhi Peace Prize, instituted in 1995 by Government of India. It is presented for international peace on the lines of Nobel Prize. Next, Indira Gandhi Peace Prize for social, economic, political revolution through non-violence and Gandhian philosophy. Next, Abel Prize for mathematics given by Government of Norway. World Food Prize presented by FAO for the cause of agriculture and food development. Thank you.